Hi there. Today we're talking about how to recommend massage to clients based on their particular needs. And just wanted to let you know that the Professional Massage Academy is an online massage school with in-class hands-on training as well. There's many different massage techniques that you will learn and that we use regularly as massage therapists to help our clients. Some of them are specific to treating certain areas in certain ways, and sometimes if someone comes in with a certain issue that they want to help fix, it's important to know that we can recommend certain techniques that would help them more so than others, kind of figuring out the best ones to choose. So today we're going to be going over different common massages and when to recommend certain ones to your clients. So the first one that we're going to talk about today is Swedish massage. Now you probably have heard of Swedish massage. It's very popular, let's say, and it's a perfect massage to recommend to someone who's never had a massage before. Or if they're coming in and they don't have any particular complaints or issues that they'd like help with, this is really great because it's a nice, gentle massage that can be applied throughout the entire body, and it helps to help the person feel relaxed. It can help with decreasing tightness in the muscles or stiffness. And like I said, overall, it promotes relaxation. And it's also one of the most requested massage types in terms of looking at the business of massage therapy. Excuse me. So, Swedish massage is the number one first one that I would say if that person has not had massage before to recommend. The second one we're going to talk about is deep tissue massage. Now, deep tissue massage, as you probably have gotten from the name, is deeper. It goes a little deeper into the muscles and the connective tissue, and it can be helpful for someone who's coming in with tightness in the muscles or having complaints of either stiffness, decreased range of motion, pain even, because the deep pressure can often help alleviate that. It's great for certain specific areas of the body where someone might need a more specific approach and more pressure applied, like chronic tension or pain in the neck or shoulders or even the low back. Or if someone's coming in with a specific injury, this can also be helpful because that deep pressure can help to penetrate and release those areas that have been injured. The movements are usually slower and again applied with deeper pressure, so it's important to talk to that person about what type of pressure that they prefer as well. Some people like the deep pressure and others want it to be a little bit gentler or more like the effleurage massage that we talked about with the Swedish massage. And again, this is maybe a little bit less relaxing than Swedish massage, but it is very relaxing as well and has great benefits for pain or even chronic pain conditions. Number 3 that we'll talk about today is sports massage. So sports massage is intended for active people, and hence the name sports. Possibly they even play sports. It can be anyone of all ages, and they can play sports professionally, or they can even be your weekend warrior who goes out on the weekends and tries to play volleyball or some other sport in that regard. And it helps to promote blood flow to the areas of your body that help with recovery. So it's good to do after a competition and can even be good to do before a competition or a sport. It can also promote mobility, flexibility of the muscles, and even prevent injury because you have a greater range of motion going into that sport, so you can actively engage in your sport activity even more appropriately. It will be less of a routine process for each individual, and it will definitely focus on that specific person in terms of what they need out of that sports massage. Oftentimes it's similar to deep tissue massage where you're going deeper into the areas and again more specific to that particular person and what they're coming in with and what they prefer. All right, moving on to lymphatic massage. So lymphatic massage, also known as lymph massage, you may have heard that term. This is really helpful for the immune system and the lymphatic system. So our lymphatic system is basically the system that gets up the gunk in our body and shoots it out of our body. So it helps, when it's flowing nicely, it helps to decrease the amount of swelling or edema that we might be holding in certain parts of our bodies. Like oftentimes people will have edema in their legs, and it makes their legs really large and uncomfortable. Can help to push that fluid back towards the center of the body where the lymphatic system is located, and thus eliminate those toxins or that excessive edema as well. And if you think of your lymph nodes, you have lymph nodes all over your body, but you're basically pushing that massage towards the lymph nodes so that they can more actively work. And again, this is great for overall health, immune function. It helps to encourage that flow through the body, and it can also, because of that, help to fight off infections or diseases even, like the common cold, or oftentimes people might feel like they need a little boost of energy if they're not feeling like their immune system is up and running at full force. Again, it can also help with puffiness, swelling, and promote healthy body. This would be great to recommend to someone who feels like they aren't having that good flow in their body. Again, feels like maybe they have some excessive swelling or lymph that needs moved around. And it can also help into the future with just improving that lymphatic system overall. All right, massage technique number 5 is Thai massage. A Thai massage is a little different than your typical table massage. It oftentimes incorporates stretching and pulling of certain body parts, rocking techniques while the person is oftentimes fully clothed, lying on a mat instead of a table. And these can help with tension, can help to promote relaxation, can help with flexibility and circulation in the body. It's oftentimes also referred to as assisted yoga, based on that movement that we just talked about and the stretching component as well, because that person is not necessarily just lying there, but they're being moved into certain positions. And this is a really great technique if your client is looking for a more active massage experience and they don't have previous conditions that they've not talked to their doctor about. So as with any of those massages, you want to make sure that it's the right massage for the right person, and you also want to make sure that they come in having the conditions that will be safe to use these massage techniques on. So in conclusion, at the end of the day, it's up to the client in terms of what massage they choose. But it's really important to be prepared to give your professional opinion when that client might not know which massage is best, or when they ask for your opinion as well. So being prepared with this awesome knowledge will help your client trust your skills, and it will ensure that they're getting the best massage results during that session as possible, which means that they're going to want to come back and see you again in the future, and means that because of that trust and rapport that you've built, they'll come to you rather than a different massage therapist. So here at PMA, we offer 3 different commitment levels to work around your busy schedule. If you want to stay up to date on what's happening, join our newsletter, go to our website to sign up. And to learn more, please contact us with any questions you might have. You can go to theprofessionalmassageacademy.com, and we'd be happy to work with you, and we'd be happy to answer any questions. Hope this was helpful, and have a great day. Thank you.